Meaning of diploid.
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 Diploid. Diploid refers to a type of cell or organism that contains two complete sets of chromosomes, one set inherited from each parent. These chromosomes are arranged in pairs called homologous chromosomes. Diploid cells undergo mitosis, a process in which each daughter cell receives an identical copy of the original chromosomes. This results in genetically identical offspring. Humans, for example, are diploid organisms with 46 chromosomes arranged in 23 pairs. The diploid nature of cells and organisms plays a crucial role in genetics and evolution, as it allows for genetic diversity and the formation of new combinations of traits through meiosis.